Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So friends, welcome all of you to another new video. So today we are going to see how to convert text to speech by using simple JavaScript code. So first of all, let's see its output.
Hello world.
So without delay, let's start the video. So friends, this is going to be a very short program. So to build this, there is a library named Responsive Voice in JavaScript. You will find the link of the library in the description. You can take the code of the library from there. After linking the library, create a text area, give it an id and create a button, give an onClick with the name speak. After doing this, you have to type the code of JavaScript from here. Create a function called speak in JavaScript and store the value of the text area in a variable. Now after this is done, type responsive voice, speak and pass the text inside it. So friends, that was all our text to speech converter has become. So let's now see its output.
Hello world. Subscribe. Hello world.